So, Steve, if you can just share with me, what did you like about the program?
Well, the program is very resourceful. I can actually teach that to some of our agents, and they can actually just, use it. Because right now, that's the issue that we're having. Most of our agents right now is they don't know what to say. They're looking for what kind of approach they're looking for, what they need. They also know they have to know how to close. They don't know how to close clients. They're stuck at, okay, now I get the policies, or what do I do next? And that's how far they get. Mm-hmm. But with your training, there's closing. We can also use other techniques that we haven't heard before. And we also found out what words we can use and what words we cannot use. So that is very important.
Okay, good. Well, thank you for the feedback.
You're welcome.